What's up, everyone? Rick from FiveHoleSportsCards.com with a tin break this time. 2011 Timeless Treasures, or Panini Timeless Treasures Football. Nice short break. This one, again, sold on eBay. Last team sold was the St. Louis Rams. We had a listing error, so that was the last team sold. Sold at $8.52. And let me just scroll down, the serial number for this box, LF345850338. Sorry, it sold at $8.52. And the current eBay time, I'll just refresh that now, is 6:17 on the 2nd. So we'll just look at the tin, match the serial number. There we go. We have a match, so we will break it open. So it is a full sealed tin. Good luck, everyone. Checklists. Pack of cards. Empty box. Empty box. We'll keep the checklist handy. Alright. Well, already right now, if the back card is signed, it's a pretty good hit. I hope the back card is signed. So, the base do not ship out of this. We have Marcus Colston base card for the Saints. We have, for the Green Bay Packers, Alex Green rookie signatures. Alex Green rookie signatures, and that is numbered to 265. We have for the Minnesota Vikings, rookie recruits, Kyle Rudolph, and I don't know if that's the card design, but it looks like there's a scratch just right there. Looks like it's part of the card design. I really can't tell. Doesn't feel like there's damage on the front of the card. And that is numbered to 250. There we go. And we have, again, for the Minnesota Vikings, Vishanti Shinko, Game Day Souvenirs. And the back card is not inked, and that's 1 of 99. And the back card is just our base Steve Young base card. I was hoping that'd be auto. Thanks for the break, guys. Take care.